And sir, what is your name?
Khalid.
Say hi to Khalid, everybody. Khalid, where are you from?
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Awesome, okay. You're not on the no-fly list or anything like that, are you? Should I have just said that? You're gonna fucking kill me. No, we're gonna have a blast. Okay. Khalid's gonna play a game called Dog Toy or Sex Toy. Do they play this in Saudi Arabia? You don't think so? Alright, come over here, come over here. He's so gentle with it.
I want to take it with me.
Oh, how it's changed already, huh? Where are you taking it? No, this is fucking... Whoa. This is not an explosive, please. Look, you just got it. All right, yes. Not like they're fucking balls, but whatever. Or boobies. Okay. Oh my God. So here's number one and number two. Can you give me that, please? Champion of the show, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for doing God's work. If you thought that was embarrassing, try taking this through airport security.